Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Artificial Oma Studios. Well, hope you understand cryptocurrency. Well, today I'm going to be explaining some of the features on the gateio platform. So if you want to trade futures trading on the gateio platform, today I'm going to be explaining some features that you really need to take a look at on this platform. So now let's take a look at it. Actually, some of this feature is also going to be helping you to trade on any exchange whatsoever, other exchanges whatsoever. So now we are going to our gateio. Okay guys, please I forgot to announce, please give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you get updates whenever I make our post. So here is our gateio. As you already know, we're already logged in. So we're heading over to perpetual trade. So if you want to if you are making use of gateio and you're looking for futures tradings on gateio, it is called perpetual trade. So here is our perpetual contract trade. So you just have to tap on this place that says, here is the page actually. So you just have to tap on this place that says start trading, so that it will open. And like you already know, we already made you already passed the test. That is the first test that you are always asked whenever you want to start perpetual trading. Basically, the essence of that test is to make sure, is for them to ensure that you know what you are doing. So in case you don't know how to maneuver all those things, you can watch that video, which I'll be leaving the link of that video in the description of this video, so you can easily get access to it. So now some of the things I need us to take a look at on gateio perpetual trading is this. When you come here, we have what is called, here this place says BTC USDT perpetual trade. So this is where, if you want to change to any other what's it called any other crypto, you just come to this place as this arrow here that is pointing down and select the token you want to trade. So you have choices of selecting. You have Ethereum, you have ETH USDT, BTC USDT, SHIB USDT, GMT, Doge, Ape, and the likes of it. So you can just come here and scroll through. You can decide to, if you don't want to scroll through because you don't want to if you don't want to go through the hustle of scrolling through, you can just come to this place that says search and type the token you want to select. Let's just say Luna, Luna. So as you can see here, once you type it, it will bring out the coin that you want to. So you just tap on it. So now also here, you can start to to search for the coin here that says margin USDT. Notice this, margin USDT. This one says margin BTC. The next one says margin USD and custom. So you can also select this one that says all, or you select coins, or you select indices. So now, but for us, so just to be on the safer side, you just go for this one that says all. It is always on default. So and you select the coin you want to, then you tap on Luna, for example, which we have done now. I just selected Luna USDT perpetual. So I want to trade it on futures. So now, having done this, now we have what is called isolated trade and cross cross and isolated, which now for this it is a kind of margin where you decide to, it's more like, I don't know how to explain it to you. It is more like saying, I want to, okay, you know what, we're not going to be talking about, so you can, the thing is that you can either decide to select either isolated or cross margin. So having done that, I think I'll have a separate class for this to explain what isolated and cross margin with examples. For I'll be explaining what it is. So okay, let me just give a brief thought. When you say cross, when you're using cross, it affects both the money in your wallet, both the crypto, the USD in your spot wallet, which means if the trade should go against you, you'll be liquidated. Everything you have in your wallet will be liquidated, which means both the money that is in your spot wallet will also be liquidated. But if you're using isolated basically means the crypto in your futures trade. For example, you know, I made mention of the other day that the other time in a previous video, that if you want to trade futures, you have to first of all send crypto from your spot wallet to to your futures trade wallet, which we did. Then now if you want to enter a trade and you are using no matter the amount of leverage you are using, so here is the amount of leverage you have. For isolated, we have 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x and 20x. That is for isolated. And when it comes to cross, the same thing. So now you can also increase the leverage that you want. You can also increase it, but it doesn't matter. The leverage mode counts. That is if you are in cross, which means you want to use, which is you are staking with all the money you have in your wallet, in your gateio wallet or in any wallet. That's if you're trading with any other exchange. Cross means you are opening your wallet to both all the money in this wallet. But isolated means you are only trading with what is in your futures account, what is in your futures trade. So that one we send from spot to futures. But if you're saying cross, which means it can cross to your spot wallet. So that is what this is. So this is also will tell you, so that whenever you want to make a trade, if your trade doesn't go against it, if it is positive, maybe you can also earn more with cross. But if you want to be on the safer side, just so that it doesn't go against you, I always use isolated. That is the truth. So you can also, I just explained it now so that you make choice of what you want to make use of. Then this mark price. Actually, mark price is also one of the things that you use to, like, when a trade gets to this point, it starts counting for you. So that is what mark price is. I think I'll make another video of explaining mark price very well. So now I want to explain this other book for us. So now this other book is this one here that I read are for people that are selling. You know that most times people are selling. People are always on the selling side, and this one that is green is for people that are buying. So whenever you want to make a trade and you see that, you find out that a lot of people are selling, their prices will be here, listed here in this one that I read. So but people that are buying, you find out that sometimes people that are buying, they buy at a lower rate. That is why most times let's take a look at this one that says 86.8805. The truth is that these things you see here, they're always fluctuating because people are buying and people are selling. That is why that is why when you come to this chart here, you find out that it is going up and down, up and down. That is because the market is moving. It is not always stagnant. So that is it for other books. I just wanted to highlight some of those things for you so that you get to understand what it is. In my next video, I don't want this video to be long, so that is why I'm doing this. So I'll also be in my next video. I'm going to be explaining this thing. Limit order, okay, market order and trigger order. Okay, let's just let me just explain it. Limit order means you don't want to buy now. You want, when it gets to this particular limit, you buy. For instance, the price of Luna at the moment is 86.9980. So if I don't want to buy now, maybe I want to buy it when the price gets to 86.8. Or when I want to buy it when the price gets to this 86 point, maybe a particular price. You just come here and say when it gets to this. Okay, for instance, let's say we want to buy it now. Look at the limit order at the moment is 86.9284. You can also decide to tap on any price here. When you tap on any price, it will signify. When you tap on any price here, it will change to whatever price you want it to. Then you set the number you want, how many quantity you want to buy. You just drag it from here to, if it is 100%, if it is 50%, if it is 25%, you just drag the price you want to, the size, the quantity you want it to buy. You can try to set your stop loss sometimes or allow it. Then you click on buy. But if you want to buy market order, when you tap on market order means anything that the market says, any price that it is in the market, that is what you want to buy. So if it is as it is 86.8869, that is what is going to buy for you at the moment. Just like you know that this thing fluctuates, so most times it may go higher, sometimes it may go lower. But market order means whatever the market says at that particular time, that is what you like. You want to buy instantly now. Maybe you see that it is increasing, and you don't want to, and the more you wait, the more it increases. So you just want to cut it off. So you just buy at market order and it will buy instantly. So but limit order means you want to buy at a lower a price lower than what is at the market at the moment, then trigger order will not buy for you. Instead, it can buy for you though, but it will trigger you. It will, once the price gets to when you want to buy it, it will trigger you and say, hello, okay, let's just take a look at this mark price. Maybe you want to trigger it when it gets to the mark price. Mark price is the actual, I don't know how to explain this now. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a video of what a mark price is, so maybe we should just leave it to that time, only till then, or you can set it at last price. Maybe till then I'm going to be explaining what this trigger order is. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel. Also look forward to that video. I'm going to be giving you with examples on what a mark price is, how you can use a mark price, and that is just it. That's what I'm going to be doing. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification icon so that you get updates whenever I make our post. See you in my next class. Bye.